In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share screen in Microsoft Teams. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and join the meeting where you want to present. You can do this in the desktop app or in the web app because the screen sharing steps are the same in both. Once you are inside the meeting, take a moment to confirm that you are fully connected and that the meeting controls are visible. If the controls are hidden, move your mouse over the meeting window so the toolbar appears. Now, look for the share option in the meeting controls. This is the button you use to present content to everyone in the call. Click Share to open the sharing panel. This panel is where Microsoft Teams lets you choose exactly what you want others to see. Next, select Screen, Window, or Tab. This choice is important because it determines how much of your computer you will share. When you choose your entire screen, participants will see everything on that display, including notifications and anything else that appears. This can be useful when you need to move between multiple apps. When you choose a specific window, you only share that one application window, which helps keep the focus on what you are presenting. When you choose a browser tab, you share just that tab, which is ideal for showing a website or an online document without exposing the rest of your desktop. After you click Screen, Window, or Tab, Teams will prompt you to pick the exact screen, window, or tab you want to share. Select the one that matches what you plan to present, and then confirm the selection so sharing begins. As you present, try to keep the shared content clean and easy to follow. Close unrelated windows in advance, and consider turning off distractions like pop-up notifications so your audience stays focused. When you are finished presenting, stop sharing from the meeting controls so your screen is no longer visible to others. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.